Take command of the road in the 2012 Dodge Journey. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Dodge prioritized comfort and style by including front and rear reading lights, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, front dual-zone air conditioning, heated door mirrors, and power windows. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.